Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now. First, make sure your phone's mobile plan permits tethering and you have enough data. On the phone, open Settings and enable hotspot or tethering, then set a clear SSID and a strong password. Choose 5 GHz when available because it gives lower interference and higher throughput. Choose 4 GHz if range matters. While the hotspot is active, keep your phone charged and avoid battery saver modes that can disable hotspot functions. This preserves a stable connection as you move to the laptop. On your laptop, open the Wi-Fi menu, locate the phone's SSID, and connect using the hotspot password you set. Once connected, mark the network as metered to prevent OS updates and background syncing from consuming large amounts of mobile data. Next, verify the security type is WPA2 or WPA3 in adapter properties to keep the link encrypted. If you expect multiple hotspots nearby, disable automatic connection to untrusted networks so the laptops finish by testing the connection. Download a small file or run a speed test to confirm throughput and latency. If Wi-Fi quality is poor, try USB tethering for reduced latency and to conserve phone battery, or reposition the phone nearer a window to get stronger mobile signal. If something fails, restart both devices, toggle the hotspot off and verify the phone's APN and data balance with the carrier. Make sure no firewall or VPN is blocking access. Once fixed, lock hotspot settings for consistent future use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.